Looks like this little fish just swam into our sketchbook. I am sure you would want to keep it, as your new cute friend. We're starting with a nice, curvy line. This will be our little fish's body. Now, what's a fish without a tail? Let's swoosh out a tail at the back. And we have to give our fish a big eye. Make it as round as a bubble. Now, let's give it a happy mouth and some fins. This fish is ready for a laugh and to swim in style. Finally, let's add some bubbles. Draw as many as you like. And we'll be finished with the pencil sketch. Let's grab our marker and start with the fin. Trace the side fin first, let the fun begin. Then we'll draw the body and the tail so wide. Then add a happy mouth. What a joyful ride. Next, it's time for the top fin to take its place. And for the big eye, give our fish some grace. Finally, some lines on the tail for flair. And just like that, our fish is swimming in the air. Look how awesome it turned out. Don't forget to hit that subscribe and bell icons so you don't miss a thing. And for more fantastic videos like this, visit scribblepeeps.com. Bye!